If you don't like wasted motion but still want peak precision, then ball screws are your secret weapon. Back in the 19th century, lead screws did the job, barely. They were slow, wore out fast, and held manufacturing back. Enter the ball screw, invented in the 1920s, revolutionized by recirculating ball bearings in the 40s. Suddenly we had high-efficiency, low-friction movement, game changer. Fast forward to modern CNC machines. Every micron counts and ball screws deliver. They translate rotary motion to linear with near-perfect accuracy, meaning fewer errors, tighter tolerances, better parts. And with today's high-speed demands, their reliability is non-negotiable. So next time you see a flawless part roll off the line, remember it's not just code and coolant making it happen. It's generations of innovation packed into every ball screw. Precision isn't a luxury in manufacturing, it's the baseline. And ball screws are still leading the way, one revolution at a time.